I no go waste your time. How many grams of hydrogen gas will be liberated when 6 grams of magnesium ribbon dissolve in 500 centimeter cube of 6 molar conch HCl? We're given the atomic mass of magnesium to be 24, that of hydrogen 1, and that of chlorine 35.5. Now, to solve this, there are 4 steps you need to know. See the first step. You will say N, which is the number of mole, equals the molar conch of HCl times volume. And since the volume was given to us as 500 in centimeter cube, we divide by 1000. So if we plug in our data for this one, the molar conch is given to be 6 times was our volume 500 divided by 1000. If you punch your calculator, 6 times 5, 6 times 500, we'll get 3000. 3000 over 1000. 3000 divided by 1000, you get 3 mole. So this is not the first step. Next, the second step, you solve for the mole of magnesium, making use of the mass of magnesium given, which is 6 grams, and the atomic mass of magnesium given, which is 24. So how do you go about that one? You know hard. Here is it. Mole equals mass over molar mass. And so wetin be our mass? 6. What is our molar mass? 24. So you say 24. Now you divide 6 divided by 24, you arrive at 0.25. So you say 0.25 mole. So the first one we solve for, we've got 3 mole of HCl. Now we've got 0.25 mole. Let me indicate it here, of magnesium. This one is of HCl. Our third step would write out a balanced chemical equation. Then we'll compare the molar ratio. How? Here's it. Magnesium reacts with HCl, and we get magnesium chloride, which is a salt, MgCl2, plus we get hydrogen gas, which is liberated hydrogen gas. Now this equation no balance, but if I put 2 here, the equation don't balance like this. Next, I'll bring out my molar ratio. This place, the molar ratio is 1. Since there's nothing in front of the Mg, invisible 1 exists there, so I've written 1 down. Here now 2. Here 2, nothing there for the front, so you go put 1. Here 2, now 1. Next, we would make use of the mole of magnesium and we'll compare it to the mole of the other. We'll compare it to the molar ratios of the other compounds. So here magnesium at 0.25, isn't it? So here we'll go put 0.25. Next, 2 times of 0.25 now 0.5. If you say 0.25 times 0.25, you get, half of 0.25. If you say 0.25 divide, now if the magnesium from our solving we got 0.25, now what can we multiply twice to get 0.25? Now 0.5, so we'll put here 0.5. This place will be 0.25. Here will be 0.25. This now part of the third step. And lastly, for the third step, we'll calculate which of them be the excess reactant. So excess reactant here, the excess reactant will be, remember, say when we've been solved for the mole of HCl, we'll get 3 mole here. 3 mole, right? Now we'll make use of it here. Say 3 minus the one we got from the molar ratio, 0.5, and you get 3 minus 0.5, you get 2.5 mole, which is in SS. Lastly, the fourth and the last step, we'll solve for the mass, and the mass in this case would be mole times molar mass. So our mole is 2.5, and the molar mass of hydrogen is 2. We'll say the atom is 2 times the atomic mass is 1. So 2.5 times 2. Our final answer will be 5 grams. So your answer is 5 grams of hydrogen gas. The right term H2. Same thing, hydrogen gas. Now, once you don't watch this clip to this point, next thing I go on me you do, I go on me you solve equation, snap and send to us. Now, if you know they on the group, the link to the group they inside the description box. So here is the task where I go on me you complete. Lastly, don't forget to drop a like and also share this video if you benefit anything from inside. I'll see you for the next video. Thanks for watching.